Why does your scanner show the P2138 engine code? What does it mean? P2138 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle pedal position, sensor switch D, and E voltage correlation. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected the throttle pedal position sensors D and E voltages do not correlate to each other for return voltage to the ECM. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty TPS or APP, wiring issues, throttle body problems, engine control module issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. This is commonly found in vehicles from Chevrolet, Nissan, Honda, Subaru, and Acura. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.